Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to update and fix your drivers. Drivers are essentially the files of a hardware device that tells your computer how to function. Every piece of hardware, from your headphones to your keyboard, have these drivers. Anyways, let's get to the first step. So first, you're going to open up your desktop, get it to the main desktop page. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit the Windows button and X at the same time. And over in your left hand corner, it's going to say Device Manager. You're going to click that, pop it up. Alright, and it will bring up this little tab. Once you do that, you're going to go to one of these tabs, whichever you're having issues with. Let's just say I'm having an issue with my audio inputs and outputs. So you're going to click on this little arrow to pull down the list of all the devices that you have for that category. And let's just say that let's say my earphones right here are having trouble. So you're gonna click that, double click it, and it'll pop up this little tab here. Now move over to the driver section and you're gonna get these. So we're gonna go through the update the driver first. So this is always your first resort to fix the issue. So you're gonna click update driver and you're gonna click search automatically for drivers. And as you see here, it says the best drivers for the device are already installed. So there's nothing to update, nothing new that I can use. Alright, so go ahead and close that if that doesn't work. If it does and you have a driver update for it, go ahead and update that and then see if it works. And if that still doesn't work, you're going to come here to uninstall device. Now this is going to require you to restart your computer fully. So you're going to click uninstall device. And once it's uninstalled, your computer will just be fine and that driver will be deleted. However, to get that driver back and to make sure it works, you're going to have to restart your computer and it will reinstall on its own. If however it doesn't, you can go to the official website. So for the driver provider is Microsoft. So you'll go check out Microsoft and see if they have an extra driver copy you can get for free. However, be aware when doing this because you may get a link to an off-brand site and may accidentally download a virus. However, I would recommend you contact Microsoft yourself to make sure you get that issue fixed and you know it won't be a virus. Alright, and that should do it. Once you've completed those steps, everything should work. And that's it. So if you're still having these issues, feel free to contact me at my email listed below or contact Microsoft for professional help. Thank you all for watching the video. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe.